Hey guys, this is Kevin O'Toole, and this is my week 2 discussion video for AOC 2. Okay, so what I did this week was built onto my app from last week. Instead of using all the bright colors though that I did last week, just so that you can see it, I changed it up some. So we're going to start, it is there. Okay, so trying to get this so we can see it better. I have it zoomed in, the 2 times for the Apple. What I did was, along the top, you can see I have the 3 aircraft that I chose, the 3 different nouns, and clicking on any one of them will bring up an image of it. Plus, it also, makes the stepper view, which was hidden to start with. It puts, the writing that's based towards that helicopter, the type of calculation it's going to do. In the text field, it has the text with however many, they're choosing to do. And then I have the calculate button underneath that. So choosing any of the different aircraft though will change the image, and it'll also change all the information that's in the text field and the label for the stepper. So that was pretty cool, that I could do that. Doing the calculation, adding it up, it changes the number inside the text field right there. So this one, for the frog, I put how many aux tanks, auxiliary fuel tanks it has. And so when you do the calculation, not only it changes the, now the label for the text field, it says with this many, dang it, I hate that, with this many aux tanks, the aircraft can fly this many flight hours, and it puts that, in it. For the Huey, it has, with this many passengers, it can fly a total of this many hours. So that was pretty cool. The bar on the bottom, I have gray, which is the default background color, as one of the colors. So this way, if you wanted to set it back to original, I didn't figure out how to do the default yet, but it will go through and it'll go back to the default. I have the info button, about the author. I put a little note there just because info pops up with a picture of me. I put some wording, class, where I'm at, and then I did get the email app to work. A lot of research to do that. I have it so that, which I realized I was going through next week's projects earlier today, and I noticed that we're going to be learning this next week, but I did a little research ahead. I have a text view instead of a text field. And then I did learn, going through tutorials and stuff like that, how to make the field pop up. So they can type their message in here, and then I have it set up, figured out how to get the keyboard away. I didn't set up on the first screen, I need to. But then if they actually email me, it also pops up. Whatever they typed in that message box would pop up here in the body. The email's already preset, which you can have an array of emails. The subject is set, and then you can actually send it, and it actually does send an email. I tested it, but it only works from the iPad. It does not work from the simulator. It will not send an email. So we can cancel that out, delete the draft, and then my close button brings us back to the main screen. Yeah. So that is my app. It was a lot of fun learning this stuff, and I'm looking forward to the stuff we're going to be learning next week and the week after. I hope everybody is doing well and having a good night. I just got home from work. Time to get ready to go to bed because I got to be back to work early in the morning. So have a good night.